Today we have to change the tire to our fat bike, and obviously we are in the desert. We are going to test the 4.0 because after a long running with the 4.8, I want to understand and I want to feel the difference. Obviously, it's not a small difference because the 4.8 gives me a lot of footprint on the ground. The 4.0 for sure donate more handling in little more harder condition, because also in the desert it's not everywhere sandy or soft. There are often hard pack area, and I think 4.0 can be a good compromise between traction, handling, and also heavy pushing, and how tough is it anyway cycling in the desert. First of all, we have to deflate the air. How we can do here in the middle of the desert? We use our knife. Okay, now we can say that 50% of the job is done. So normally with this type of tire you don't need levers, because you see, in this way, you see, it's really easy. We take out our tube and the tire is already out. This is the tire that we are going to test, the 26 for 4.0. We replace the 4.8 that actually we have on the bicycle. After you open the box, you have to open the tire. Before to fit, it's important you check the direction. In this case, because normally when you have, like in this case, you have the direction because you can see by the design of the tread partner. Okay, now we go to assembly the tire. So we take our tube. Can be helpful if you leave some air inside the tube, because that will give the shape to the tire. Because it's so big, this tire, can be helpful. Okay, we have here the hole of the tube. We can start in this way. We insert the tube, as you can see, and it's practically done. You can push with the hand, you don't need any tools. At this point, as usual, you push the tube inside the rim in this way. You see? And then with the hand, you push the tire inside. Now we have only to inflate the air, and with this type of tire, the pressure, the indication of the correct pressure is from 5 to 15 psi. It's in according with your weight, the condition of the sand, because the rule is really simple. If you ride in deep sand or in soft snow, places where you ride with your fat bike, it's normal to use a lower pressure. If you ride more in hard pack or in gravel road or on the asphalt, you can go up with the pressure. Okay, now we go to change also the rear tire. The job is done. It's not so difficult as you've seen. Now it's time to test. As you can see, the pressure, it's perfect for deep sand and condition like this. Okay, let's go. If you like this video, don't forget, subscribe and stay tuned. And see you next time. Hasta luego, compañeros.